how to install GitHub Copilot on Visual Studio Code. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I will guide you how you can install and set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Code Studio. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you must have the VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. Open up a VS Code. Now you have to go to the extension menu. So from this menu bar on your left hand side, go towards the extension. And in the search bar, search for GitHub Copilot. Click on this GitHub Copilot, then click on install. So after installation, now you have to hover over to the Copilot icon right here. Then you'll be taken into this page. If you have not signed in into your GitHub account, you have to sign in into your GitHub account when the browser pops up. Once you're signed in, now your Copilot is active. Now you can start typing to see inline suggestion and the ghost text. You can navigate to the GitHub Copilot. After that, now if you hover over to your project, and if you have not created any project yet, you could create one. And once you start writing your code, the suggestion will appear. For that, you have to press the tab key to accept it. And that's it. That's how you can install and set up GitHub Copilot on Visual Studio Code. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.